start off by moisturising or conditioning your lips with a Vaseline or lip balm. Then take some foundation. I like to use whatever's left on my brush having done my makeup earlier, and pat that over the lips. This will neutralise any colour in your lips, leaving a blank base for your lipstick. With a red lip liner, I'm lining and filling in my lips. This will act as a base for my lipstick and also help it to last longer. With the red lip colour, I'm using Rebel Red by Maybelline, as this is a liquid matte lipstick with a slight satin finish, and this will look better underneath a gloss. Then I'm taking Cherry Skies by NYX, which is a deeper wine red shade, on a small lip brush and applying that to the corners of my lips and blending it towards the centre for a touch of dimension. With some tissue, I'm pressing that to my lips to blot away any excess product that otherwise might have ended up on my teeth. Finally, I'm applying a red gloss. I'm using Venetian by MAC and applying this mostly to the centre of my lips, as this is what's going to make your lips look fuller and glossy.